An EV that rides like a bike, works like a scooter, Numaros launches N-First. With an introductory price of 64,999 rupees, N-First is built for young urban commuters, especially women. Bangalore, Numaros Motors, one of India's fastest-growing electric mobility innovators, launched its second EV two-wheeler, N-First, in Bangalore today. Unfettered by categories and labels, the two-wheeler blends the stability of a bike with the utility of a scooter. Variants start at an introductory price of 64,999 rupees for the first 1,000 buyers. Affordable and accessible, the N-First is set to be a game-changer in electric mobility. Under the tagline, "Change Your Vibe," it marks a bold step toward democratizing clean, affordable, and stylish urban transport. Created in collaboration with Italian design house WeLab, it introduces global aesthetics to Made in India engineering excellence. This is not just another vehicle, it is a vision realized. It's a fresh, elegant statement in urban mobility, said Mr. Shreyas Shibulal, founder and CEO, Numaros Motors, at the launch event held in Bangalore. In his launch speech, Shreyas highlighted the company's core philosophy of addressing the challenge of widespread EV adoption without compromising on safety and reliability. At Numaros, we believe reliable and durable electric mobility solutions need not be a luxury. It is our absolute promise. The N-First is the most reliable, accessible EV solution for the growing urban youth segment, especially for women, who are increasingly driving the future of our market, said Shreyas. Sleek, smart and safe. The N-First is available in 5 variants and 2 colors, traffic red and pure white. The top variant 3 kWh IMAX Plus offers a 109 km IDC range, while the 2.5 kWh variants, Max and IMAX, feature liquid immersion-cooled Li-ion batteries with an IDC range of up to 91 km. At its core, N-First is powered by a PMSM mid-drive motor with chain transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and high energy efficiency. Full charge from 0-100 takes approximately 5 to 6 hours, 2.5 kWh, and 7 to 8 hours, 3.0 kWh, supported by over-the-air (OTA) updates for continuous performance optimization. Highlights: stability. The defining 16-inch wheels offer stability and control far beyond conventional scooters. Rigorous testing. The N-First platform is built on a foundation of durability, having undergone rigorous testing in India's most extreme conditions, from the scorching heat of Jaisalmer to the harsh cold of Manali. It was also put through its paces in city riding conditions. Zero range anxiety. The vehicle boasts a certified IDC range of 109 km, ensuring freedom from range anxiety for daily urban commutes. Smart connectivity. Its IoT platform and app offer users
embracing many speed bumps, diversions and off-road adventures, driven by his passion for automotives and his belief that a better world starts right here, right now. Mr. Shreyas Shibulal is
confident the stability of a larger 16-inch wheel, where the everyday practicality of a scooter. It comes with a host full of features. It comes with 3 different dynamic ride modes, basically the forward modes, and with the assist mode of reverse. The sports mode comes with a thrilling acceleration, performance-oriented mode, where you can achieve up to a top speed of 70 km per hour. The normal mode is a perfect balance between rideability and the range, which is
Numaros fashion. The N-First has been rigorously tested in the most extreme conditions, from the blistering heat of Jaisalmer summers to the cold, harsh winters of Manali. And as the launch unfolds, we'll get into specifics, and you'll see why the N-First is a perfect vehicle to cater to this growing demographic, especially for women, who are increasingly driving the future of our market. I'd like to close by saying this. Reliable, durable, and desirable electric mobility solutions need not be a luxury, but it is indeed our absolute nature to develop rare earth-free electric motors. This innovation is not just about cost cutting. It's also about reducing our dependencies on resources and raw materials which are not in ample supply in India. With this collaboration, we are building a definitive roadmap for sustainable growth. And now, coming back to the main attraction of the day, the N-First, which is available in 5 variants. It challenges every stereotype, presenting a whole new category with the utility of a scooter and the commanding stability of a bike. But why N-First and why now? The dynamic requirements of the two-wheeler market is reflective of the larger changes that are happening in our demographics, especially in the urban population centers. We have a substantial population of young adults. This population no longer thinks of electric vehicles as a novelty, but rather just a reality of the way forward.